Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are at the trailhead, the not Killarney end of the Condamine River Trail, that one, yep. We are going to go four-wheel driving. Just yesterday I installed a new turbo on this, just a factory replacement because it went kaput on Friday. It's Wednesday, well, let's go do it. Alrighty, so this is my first time driving the Condamine myself. I have done it before with my dad. That was many moons ago, and that tree has fallen on that fence. So yeah, first time driving it. I think it's 14 or so river crossings, all the same river. But yes, we have the dog with us, so he's gonna keep there, I guess, and do nothing. But anyway, yes, we're gonna get straight into it. Well, that was bloody lovely, wasn't it? Nice. 13 more of those to go. What am I doing?
Washing your wheels of the poo, I guess.
Yeah, washing the shit off my wheels. Alrighty, so we've gone and gotten all the way to Killarney. Now we're heading back because there are some lovely spots that I would like to get some photos at. So yeah, I think that was the 13 or 14 or whatever river crossings, all filmed a little bit differently.
Some not filmed at all.
Sorry?
Some not filmed at all.
Some not, but it was a very nice little drive actually, and yeah, you know, there's one at the end that you really get to wash your car off that you saw. So yeah, that was lovely. But anyway, we're going back, so we're going to get dirty again. Alrighty guys, a very short and sweet little video today. That was the Condamine River Trail. Plenty more to come from this one. We've got a lot of full drive parks lined up. I'm very impressed with how this thing goes for a completely stock, very old car that shouldn't really be doing what it's doing. But anyway, thank you if you are watching. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.